So you want to ditch the traditional bank? But can SoFi play nice with PayPal? Ever feel like your bank is stuck in the dial-up era? Yeah, me too. That's why fintech apps like SoFi are taking the financial world by storm. But here's the thing, most of us are already knee-deep in the PayPal ecosystem. So, the big question is, can SoFi and PayPal coexist peacefully in your financial life? Let's dive in and crack the code on SoFi and PayPal's compatibility. PayPal, the online wallet we all know and love, maybe. Look, PayPal's been around longer than most of our favorite memes. It's the OG online payment system, letting us shop online, send money to friends, and even donate to charities, all with a few clicks. But PayPal isn't exactly known for seamless integration with other financial institutions. That's where SoFi comes in. SoFi, all your financial needs under one roof, almost. SoFi's motto could be finance, but make it modern. They offer investing, banking, and even loan options, all rolled into one app. It's pretty slick. But the question remains, can SoFi seamlessly connect with your PayPal account? The truth about SoFi and PayPal, it's complicated. Alright, I won't sugarcoat it. Linking SoFi and PayPal isn't always a walk in the park. Here's the deal. Manual linking is your best bet. The good news is, you can definitely connect your SoFi bank account to PayPal. However, the automatic linking function might be glitchy. Don't fret, though. You can manually add your SoFi account details, including the routing and account numbers. PayPal will then make small deposits into your SoFi account to verify ownership. This might take a couple of days, but hey, at least it works. Instant transfers? Maybe not. While you can link your accounts, transferring money between SoFi and PayPal might not be instantaneous. Some users report delays, so keep that in mind if you need a super fast transfer. SoFi doesn't play nice with third-party trackers, yet if you use budgeting apps like Mint that rely on connecting to your financial accounts, you're out of luck for now. SoFi doesn't currently integrate with these platforms. So, can you use SoFi with PayPal? Here's the bottom line, SoFi and PayPal can definitely coexist, but it might not be the most frictionless experience. You can manually link your accounts for transfers, but don't expect instant magic. SoFi and PayPal, the future looks bright. While there might be some bumps on the road right now, the future of fintech integration is looking rosy. SoFi is constantly innovating, and PayPal is known for expanding its functionalities. There's a good chance these two financial giants will become BFFs in the coming years, offering a smoother user experience. The final takeaway, don't be afraid to experiment. Look, even if SoFi and PayPal aren't the perfect match right now, there's no harm in trying. If the convenience of SoFi's all-in-one finance app outweighs the occasional linking hiccups with PayPal, then go for it. Just be aware of the limitations and plan your transfers accordingly. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.